do you think's gonna win? Steve, me too. I think he's I don't want your car. This is gonna be loud. You might want to go around.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and starting out in heat number 1 of this Demolition Derby in the 61X, we have Desiree Howes of Madison. In the 41, driving out of Clinton, we have Ed Archer. In the 11G, driving out of Skowhegan, it's Jeff Gilbert. In the 15B, driving out of Industry, is Bobby Bernard. In the 00, we have Logan Chadbourne of Palmyra. And in the .08 car, we have Tony Quirian of Skowhegan. RJ Austin of Smithfield is in the 51 car. And driving in the 9 car is Ted Gower of Madison. In the 32 car, we have Paul Lyons of Cornfield. And rounding out heat number 1 in this Demolition Derby is the 36, Ryan Grant of Skowhegan. Folks, we put this thick concrete block onto the Demolition Derby arena. I just want to let you know that many of these cars, they have dollar signs on the windshield of their vehicles, and that's to show that they have been in all 3 Demolition Derbies in 2014 here at Skowhegan State Fair. Their prize winning will be doubled if they win tonight's feature. And folks, it's now my pleasure to introduce as our special flag waver with the green flag, Dale Lancaster, Chief Deputy of the Somerset County Sheriff's Department. There he is, folks. Dale, I'd like to thank you and all of the Sheriff's Department for being here at the Demolition Derby, making sure that everything is staying safe in the grandstand area. And now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this final night of the Demolition Derby?
I only have 27 minutes left.
I need to hear you scream when I say, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready? Help me out, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Down goes the flag. And here they go, folks, in heat number 1 of this Demolition Derby. Right in the middle, Sam Fry, Joey Godwin, friend of mine. That card for the 11G by Jeff Gilbert. After this heat, it'll be a great time for you to go get yourself a little Sam French fries located on the grandstand area. And here they go, folks, piling up in the middle of the Demolition Derby arena. We're looking for some big hits. 2 of these cars will go on to tonight's feature event automatically. The rest will have an opportunity to be part of the consolation heat. And out on the wall, going away. I'm going away right now. You go yourself right up against the wall. Tony Quirian. Right into the back of the Demolition Derby, the 81. 81 needs to be stopped coming out of the wall. Folks, there's a lot of action going on there. What I get right there in the middle of the Demolition Derby, a lot of action going on here in this first heat. And they're dancing around, folks. Oh, when he gets up against the wall, we get some cars picked up against the wall. Right back to the Demolition Derby. The 11G, that's the Stan Fry. Joey Godwin car backing up. Oh, they're going to knock that car right out. There it goes. They want to shut it down, everybody. They want to shut it down. Shut it down, drivers. Drivers, please shut it down. Drivers, please shut it down. We got something going on the track they want to check out. The most important thing with these Demolition Derbies. 11G, oh, they're ganging up on the 61X. Desiree Howes is going to right out of the way of the arena so we can let them big fight. And we've got some like he's stuck right there in the corner. They're going to finish him off right there in the corner, everybody. The 81 and the 19 still going out that 51. That 15B, I'm sorry. Ed Archer in that 81 doesn't have much luck in the back end of that car. But he's automatically going on tonight's future event as time ticks on for Bernard in the 15B. And they're going to call it, ladies and gentlemen, the first heat of the Devil in the Derby. How about you make some noise up there for these drivers? And folks, in just a moment, we'll give you your official winners going on tonight.